What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Joe's Garage. After nearly 4 months of me not posting any videos on the YouTube channel just because I've been busy with work, we're finally back in the shop and we have some really exciting things I'm gonna be talking about. Now, today's video is just a very quick update about, the 2.5 RS and what we're gonna be doing moving forward, because I know a lot of you out there on smaller videos that I've made, or shorts, I guess I should say, have left me comments like, hey man, how's it going? A few of you reached out in the emails, which it's super awesome, and I really loved the fan base, or I shouldn't say fan base, but the little community that we built during the 2.5 RS restoration series, and I'm beyond excited to get back to that now that I have some more time again. But we're gonna make this video very short and sweet. I just wanted to give you a quick little update about what's coming up and some things that have been going on. I did work in the shadows as the time went on. I never stopped thinking about the 2.5 RS, and no, I didn't get to do so much constructive work on the car. We're pretty much in the same place where we left off, in the very last video, whether it was just stripping the interior and gutting it out, and then doing a little bit more further than that I just never put to fruition or whatever. I didn't make a video out of the last little bit of content I made regarding the engine and the interior, stripping it down, getting it prepared to weld in the floor panels and everything. But we have never stopped thinking about the 2.5 RS. Right now, currently, it is buried in the shop. You can tell it's kind of got set aside. I have everything that I've taken out of it inside of it. Just a couple boxes laying around. I mean, it's by no means ready for me to work on it yet either, and I have been doing some things recently in the past couple days to try and get that ready. But now that work has slowed down, I'm going on a little vacation with my wife and kids, which we do every year. I'm super excited about that. But when I return, we're gonna be going full throttle back into the YouTube videos, and I'm super excited about that because, if you've watched my series before or any of my videos, you know that really YouTube is like a dream to me, and if I could make it a bigger income stream and give me more opportunities, I'd give a lot more attention and time to the YouTube channel throughout the entire year, rather than when, my full-time gig starts up again next February, I have to really slow down the YouTube series. So that's really what this is all about, just talking about the 2.5 RS. Like I said, I was working in the shadows. I did make a pretty awesome purchase. I'm not gonna ruin anything quite yet because that's gonna be an exciting video that I'm gonna bring out to the channel, but something big happened that's gonna help this series and the restoration project by a mile, which is incredible. And I did have a crazy adventure regarding the car, and I am gonna be making a video about that too. So I have what is gonna be a really amazing story, one that I'll never forget, and it's probably gonna be a sweet little YouTube video. And the second thing was a huge purchase, and it's just directly related to the 2.5 RS, which I'm super excited for all of you that have watched this series to see that stuff, because it's a little bit more of not just me working on the car, but other things too that I do. I'm just gonna say the one is just a completely crazy story, but it's a good one, and it's, like I said, it's also directly related to the 2.5 RS. But that being said, I just wanted to let you guys know I haven't given up, and I'm super excited to get back to this because, like I said, this is everything I want. And if we could really make this channel grow, which I truly believe can happen, we can really make something special. After I get the 2.5 RS done, I have a number of really awesome projects that are gonna be coming to the channel. But still, we're gonna just focus on this, do our best to get this done before I can't work on it anymore again, starting with, finishing up the body, and then we're gonna trickle in some of that other content that I was just talking about in this video, because it's pretty exciting stuff too. I know you guys are gonna love what I bought. It's huge, like I said, major milestone for the restoration series, and I know that you guys could probably already guess what I'm talking about, but we're gonna wait until I drop that video to really dive into there. And the story that I'm gonna tell you guys is one that, all of you that have commented on my videos in the past, you always love my stories, or, just that's part of what we talk about. So I know that a lot of you guys can relate, being car guys and girls, whoever's watching. I'm just really excited about the whole thing. So that's it. I don't want to go on too long because this video has no useful content other than me talking. I just wanted to get in front of the camera and say I'm super excited to get back to the YouTube channel, making videos weekly, getting this car finished. You know, me and my friend talk about it all the time, like how incredible it's going to be when we've got this car done and back on the road. And I want to share that experience with so many of you guys that have given me your time in the past. So that's it. I'm super excited. You know, it's been a while. It's going to take a little bit of time adapting to the camera again and really making good videos, because right towards the end I was hitting a peak. Things were going really well, but you know, readapting and getting the editing style down again, it's going to take a little bit of working through and, you know, getting the kinks out, but I think we're going to be fine. I have a great idea where we're going to start when we resume, when I get back in town from vacation, and I'm really looking forward to it, guys. So thank you so much for your patience. If you've been waiting for, you know, a video to come out, I'm not giving up, and you guys know I'm gonna put the work in to try and make this happen, and I appreciate all your guys' time. If you're new to the channel by any means on this video and you watched to this point, make sure to subscribe, because I am building this 2.5 RS in an awesome YouTube series. I have 25 plus videos on my channel. Make sure to go check them out, and you know, the car's really special and it's got a lot of hype recently on the internet, so it's gonna be really great. So that's it. I'm gonna call it right here. No need to waste any more time. I appreciate you guys watching, if you even did. If you are here still and you watch and you're excited, guys, make sure to leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you guys again. I'm gonna start getting on the reply train as fast as I can, like I used to. And make sure to give this video a like, because you know, every video is another chance to go viral. So we're super pumped about it. I'm super excited. Joe's Garage is gonna be back on the map. We're gonna do everything we can to make it happen, and I appreciate everybody that watches. I'm gonna catch you guys pretty soon. You know, I'm gonna be gone for about a week, and then I return full throttle. So, you know, maybe I'll put some times and dates up in some posts when I'm really gonna be dropping the first video regarding the RS. So make sure to look out for that, and I'll be seeing you guys then. Talk to you soon.